Bedtime Fairy Tales presents a series of speech therapy fairy tales with exercises for speech and language development. 12 fairy tales for 12 difficult-to-pronounce sounds were created with the help of a speech therapist. Audio speech therapy fairy tales sound a bit differently. Let's listen and repeat the sounds out loud.
Kva? Kar poskusite in ponovite. Vsi, tudi vi, ki se zdajle oddaleč režite. Takole. Ža, ža, ža.
Kids enjoy listening to them and at the same time train their speech organs.
Žu, žu, žu.
Bravo!
Each fairy tale is enhanced with 5 short animated videos, inviting kids to practice pronouncing sounds.
Kdo skače?
Žaba.
Kdo ima klobuk na glavi?
Ža, ba.
Žaba.
Bravo, super!
Want to practice even more words? There's a bunch of them. They can be found in the text of the fairy tale.
Kako je že oni žabici ime? A je živa? Ne, Žana. Kako je pa ime?
Žuža.
Žuža je. Ja, bravo. A probava še enkrat? Tako z ljubčki. A veš, tako daš ustka, kakor da si bova ljubčke dale. Le tako, pa rečeš žuža. Žuža. Jezik not, za zobe.
Say it with confidence
Žuža.
and out loud.
Bravo, Piki, super. A jo boš še narisala?
For speech therapy fairy tales created to help parents and educators anytime and anywhere, click on Lahkonočnice.si.